If you're looking to optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns and boost your results, PartnerStack is one of the best platforms to do it with. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through some key strategies for getting the most out of your affiliate marketing campaigns on PartnerStack, so stay tuned because I'll be sharing tips that could dramatically impact your affiliate success. And, as a bonus, stick around till the end for details on how you can get started for free with an exclusive offer from us. First things first, PartnerStack is a platform that helps businesses build and scale affiliate, referral, and partner programs. It connects companies with affiliates and partners, allowing for automated tracking, payments, and performance reporting. Now, how can you optimize your affiliate marketing campaigns using PartnerStack? Let's break it down. The first step is to ensure your affiliate program is set up with clear goals and attractive rewards. This is the foundation of any successful affiliate campaign. PartnerStack allows you to customize commission structures so you can design offers that incentivize your affiliates based on the results you want to achieve. Whether it's pay-per-click, pay-per-sale, or tiered commission models, make sure your affiliate rewards are competitive and motivating. Next, ensure that your affiliate partners are getting the right tools to succeed. PartnerStack makes it easy to provide affiliates with everything they need, from banners and email templates to links and tracking tools. The more resources you give, the more likely your affiliates are to perform well. When setting up your campaigns, try to personalize these tools based on your target market or affiliate segment. Custom assets can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates. Another key area to optimize is tracking and data analysis. PartnerStack provides robust reporting features, giving you detailed insights into affiliate performance. You can track metrics such as clicks, conversions, and revenue generated per affiliate. By monitoring these stats, you can identify which affiliates are performing best and which marketing strategies are driving the most conversions. You can use this data to fine-tune your campaigns and even reward top-performing affiliates. Don't forget to engage with your affiliates. Building strong relationships with your affiliate partners will not only motivate them to promote your brand more, but can also provide valuable insights into what's working and what isn't. PartnerStack allows you to communicate directly with affiliates, whether through automated email campaigns or one-on-one messages. Keep the communication line open, offer support when needed, and even create affiliate incentive programs to push them towards higher sales. Additionally, remember to continually test and optimize your campaigns. With PartnerStack's A/B testing tools, you can experiment with different offers, creatives, and messaging to see which ones resonate best with your audience. It's crucial to continually tweak and improve your campaigns to stay competitive and drive better results. Lastly, leverage PartnerStack's integrations with other marketing tools you might be using. Whether it's CRM systems, email marketing tools, or analytics platforms, integrating these tools with PartnerStack allows for a more streamlined process and a better overview of your affiliate campaign's performance. In summary, optimizing your affiliate marketing campaigns on PartnerStack boils down to a few simple actions: offering clear goals and rewards, providing your affiliates with the right tools, tracking your data, building relationships, testing your campaigns, and using integrations to streamline everything. With the right strategies, you can supercharge your affiliate marketing efforts and achieve long-term success. And as promised, you can start using PartnerStack for free right now through the link in the description below. We've got an exclusive bonus for you, so make sure to check it out before you go. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to drop a like and leave any questions in the comments below.